I'm Tony Pwr, the Global Product Manager for Amphenol Communication E-Mobility section. I'm handling the e-mobility market across the globe for EV sector. We have 4 products. One product is called, first product we have developed is DuraEV, which have 2 power and 4 signals and 6 signals. This will are used for the portable batteries, and another is called SWAP single unidirection connector called DuraSwap. The new product which released for DuraSwap Concentric for bidirectional mating as per IEC 63066. For the fast charging is type 6, which is also here to show you. As you know, these all 4 products, what we do is completely manufactured in India under one roof. What we are doing, stamping, plating, molding, all are under one roof. We are capable to do 100% Make in India under Make in India visions.
Amphenol's Compact Combo series offers solution for power distribution in charging stations. So we offer wire-to-wire, wire-to-board and board-to-board series. It's a hybrid connector with power and signal connectors, power connectors up to 32 amps and signal connectors up to 5 amperes.
Amphenol's Minitek Pwr product series is a mid-power connector series which finds applications in battery management system as well as charging stations. The Minitek Pwr series offers a wide range of connector series, especially from the pitch size of 3 mm, 4.2 and 5.7. We have amperage support which gives from 5 amps to 28 amps for these products. These products are supported in both wire-to-wire as well as wire-to-board series.